To correctly use a Sam's Club gift card, start by understanding the basics of the card. A Sam's Club gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to make purchases at any Sam's Club location or on the Sam's Club website. First, check the balance of your gift card by visiting the Sam's Club website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. This will ensure you know how much you can spend with the card. Next, make sure you are shopping at a participating location or on the Sam's Club website. You can use your gift card to buy anything from groceries to electronics to home goods. To use your gift card in store, simply present the card to the cashier at checkout and let them know you would like to use it as payment. They will swipe the card and deduct the purchase amount from the balance. To use your gift card online, log into your Sam's Club account and proceed to checkout. When prompted to enter payment information, select the gift card option and enter the card number and PIN. If you have any issues with your gift card, contact Sam's Club customer service for assistance. They can help you resolve any problems and ensure you can use your card successfully. It is also important to note that Sam's Club gift cards do not expire and have no fees associated with them. However, if your card is lost or stolen, you should report it to Sam's Club immediately so they can cancel the card and issue a replacement. By following these steps, you can easily and correctly use your Sam's Club gift card to make purchases and take advantage of the benefits and savings that Sam's Club has to offer. Remember to always check your balance and keep your card safe to ensure you can use it without any issues.